Johnny here with your late-breaking real estate news. In regards to 2024, although there can be no perfect prediction here, this is what the real estate experts are saying could happen in 2024. According to Realtor.com, just released its top 10 list of areas expected to see double-digit growth in sales over the next year. So keep in mind, we're not talking about price increases. We're actually talking about real estate sales transactions in 2024. Now, San Diego did come in at number 4 on their list, where Realtor.com expects our area to see 11% sales growth in the next year. Other California areas on that list included Riverside, Bakersfield, Oxnard, and Los Angeles. And believe it or not, the number 1 spot in this list, however, is actually Toledo, Ohio, where Realtor.com expects real estate sales to grow in Toledo by 18% in 2024.